Okay, confession time. Your videos can be awesome, but if your thumbnail is boring, people are gonna scroll faster than I scroll through my Monday emails. So if you are a small business owner, dropping a tutorial, showing behind the scenes, or sharing your product story, your thumbnail is your first handshake with your audience. Hey, I am Manthan, a filmmaker and a content creator. And today, we are gonna build a YouTube thumbnail from scratch using Adobe Express. Super simple, super fun. Oh, and guess what? The thumbnail we are making is for the exact video. Let's make this up. Head over to adobe.com/express. If you don't have an account, sign up. It's free. This is your budget-friendly design buddy. Once you're in,
select the plus icon and go to landscape size, as that fits perfect for a YouTube thumbnail.
let's not leave this plain white. I am picking a purple-blue gradient because I like it and it pops. If you got a brand color, upload them. Consistency is equal to people recognizing your business instantly. Now for the title, let's write
How to create thumbnails using Adobe Express.
straight to the point, searchable. Where should I place it? Top left? Center? Yep, that's the vibe. Want to make it personal? Add your face, especially if your business is you. Upload a photo, use the built-in remove background tool. It's like magic. Place it where it fits, and now people see you and your work. And there you go, an eye-catching YouTube thumbnail made from scratch in Adobe Express. If you are a small business owner, this is the easiest way to level up your online presence without blowing your budget. Try Adobe Express now. Website link is in the description. And if this video helped even a little bit, drop a like, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button so I know you're watching. Peace.